Hey guys, it's Karen. Guess what I got? I have the Ipsy Ultimate and I have the Ipsy Plus in one day. So, is it worth it? We're going to figure this out together because I've seen some reviews. Some people are not liking the Ipsy Ultimate, and I guess this is the size difference of the box. Obviously, the bigger one is the Ultimate. Which one should we open first? Let's compare the two, shall we? Now, the Ipsy Glam bag is $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. And the Ultimate is $50 a month, and you're supposed to get 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe samples. So we're going to figure out together whether or not this is worth the money. All right, here we go. Now, we are opening up the Plus. This. I chose a specific item I knew I was getting, and it was Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion right here. So I'm going to put that right there. And this is what it's looking like in here. So we got a card. It says, flaunt it. Don't forget the choice is yours. It's time to get personalized. October 23rd, you get to choose one of your Glam Bag Plus products. And then using our Ipsy Match technology, we'll build the rest. Okay, so now... Okay, so we've got our card and we've got our prices next to the products in here, like that. So the Dr. Brandt was something that I chose, and it has a value of $79. And let's look, let's see what we got here. We've got 2 ounces. So it's a full-size product. Okay, we have got a Jolie Cosmetics Spectra Stick in Stella is the color. Seal's kind of... See that? It was up already, which I don't really like, but okay. Let's go with this. Now, what is the lipstick is valued at $26. We're going to open it. Definitely. Okay, that other seal was on it though, so we're good. We're good. We're good. There was another one. This is cute. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. There we go. Okay. Oh, it comes out so loosely, but I don't think oh, okay. This is the color. Oh, I'm liking that a lot. Let's swatch it. Oh yeah, I would totally wear that. And it's creamy. I wish they would dry down though. I like it when they dry down because I use a vape, so it's, yeah, you guys get it. Okay. Next we have Real Her I Am Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. And it's sealed, but it looks like it's valued at $20. I'm breaking the seal, trying to open this because I don't think this is my color. Don't really know. I mean, look at the lipstick you just gave me and then look at this. Yeah. This, I'm not even going to open because I'll save it for a giveaway. Absolutely. That was a $20 value. Not my color at all. Okay, we have next the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette right here. Its value is $30. And these are the shades. Now I've got so many bronzer palettes opened, I'm not going to open this. I have the Huda Beauty and I have the Tarte, so I'm just not going to open that. Okay, we've got Betty Boop. That's So Betty eyeshadow palette, and the value is $30. Inspired by the iconic beauty Betty Boop. Okay, all right here. So there's 8 shades. There's 3 matte, and there's 5 shimmers. And I don't know if I want to swatch this because I don't know if I'll use it. So I'm going to put this away for right now. And we've got a Betty Boop bag. Okay. Here it is. Now, this is the regular Ipsy bag. And then this is the plus. Just so you can see the difference. Okay. Not much bigger, but it is bigger. All right, so we got the lipstick, we got the microdermabrasion, we got the other liquid lip, the eyeshadow palette, and the bronzer palette. Now let's see what's in the ultimate. All right, I'm gonna put this right here so we can compare. Let's see this baby, if it's worth it or not. Okay. All right. Oh, wait a minute. Am I getting the same bag? We got the same bag. Same size and everything. Okay. So what do we have in here? Don't forget the choice is yours. All right. So there's another pamphlet with all the products I got in the Glam Bag Ultimate. And this is the $50 subscription. There's no prices. Okay, so there's no prices, so I don't know. It just tells you about the products. So let's dig in. All right, there's the Coffee Scrub, French Vanilla. Filled with antibiotics, minerals, and essential oils. Help neutralize the effects of aging, drying, and dead skin. Okay, this is probably a full size. Okay, so the next thing I see is the Betty Boop Cheek to Cheek blush palette. Sorry, I have my daughter in the background. Alrighty. Now I could probably go on the website and find out the value of these, but I have so many blushes, I'm not going to swatch this because I don't know if I'll keep it. But those are definitely pretty colors. I do like that. So, the eyeshadow palette came in the plus, and the cheek palette came in the ultimate. Okay, so the next thing I see is a serum. It's a moisturizer. It is by BioRace. And all it says is to apply after, it's an all-day hydrating serum for moisturizing and improve the skin complexion. And it just says apply after toner. All right, so there we got a moisturizer. Then we've got a natural avocado mask sheet. And a natural shea butter mask sheet. Okay. Let me see. We've got, are we really counting that as a full-size product? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. I got this in BoxyCharm. It's Good Vibes mascara. It has actually the curler on the one end, which is useless. And then it has the mascara on the other. Mascara is definitely a full-size product, and I already have this, so I'm definitely not going to open it. The next thing I see is the Huda Beauty palette, which is the product that I chose, and I have no idea it was this tiny. Okay, but it'll be a full-size product, right? Oh, hang on. This is tiny. It is very tiny. And I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'll keep it, but there it is there. I did not expect it to be that tiny, but it looks like there's nice fall colors in there. Okay, I see like a lot of little stuff here. This is the bag I already told you guys or showed you guys. It's the same bag we just got in the plus. So, okay. And then it looks like we've got a Kaleido Cosmetics waterproof liquid eyeliner. Yep, so it's a liquid. I don't have to open it. I definitely know this is a full-size product. And let's see. Oh, there we are. It's the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I definitely was looking forward to getting this. It says the Best of Beauty in the Allure magazine, 2017. It was an award winner. So I'm going to be excited to try this. Take all this off. All right, that's definitely a full-size product. Then we've got Farrah brushes here. Be Beautiful, Be You. I don't know. Let me see. We're looking at Midnight Pro Trio. There is a foundation brush, a cheeky end for blush, and a stippling 40 FM to stipple on highlighter or bronzer for an airbrush finish. All right, so they gave us the brushes to go along with the other products, which is kind of cool. And then I'm seeing an eyeshadow. It looks like Champagne Life is the color. Who makes this? Color Rain. Okay, so this is something you would get in your regular little $12, it's now $12, used to be $10 bag. It's a very pretty color. I'm not going to swatch it though. Definitely not. All right, so this is probably a full-size product. And then it looks like we've got deluxe samples right here. So before I get into these samples, we have a full-size product, the brushes. We have the full-size Pharmacy Cream. We have the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. We have the liquid eyeliner. We have the mascara. Okay, we have the moisturizing serum. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we've got the Betty Boop blushes. That's 7. So I'm guessing one of these or the eyeshadow palette is the 8th product that we're supposed to get full size. And then, does it look like I've got more in here? Okay, so there's, oh, you know what? I ordered a sample cashing in my points, and it was the eggplant right here. That's right. Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask. So I did cash in my points. Okay. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right there. And then we've got 4 deluxe samples. Well, it looks like there's more samples in here because we've got the masks. There's 3. And then we've got the creme de la creme, which means the best of the best. And then it says that underneath it, the very best cream. And it's a 1-ounce hand cream. So they might even consider that a full-size product. Then we've got Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. And then last but not least, we've got Sieste Moi Reflect Lip Gloss. It is 0.11 fluid ounces. There's a seal on it. It just looks like a shiny lip gloss. I'm going to open the box. I'm going to ruin the box. Sorry about that, but at least she's smiling now. Okay, this is pretty. I definitely like my shimmers when it comes to a lip gloss, and I'm not wearing one today, and I usually am. I'm wearing a matte one, so that's fine. But you tell me, what do you think? Now, this card does not give us prices, okay, at all. And you know what? The eggplant came in there. I must have used my points on that coffee scrub mask. That's what it was. I don't know. That's probably what it was. Because we're showing the eyeshadow, the hand cream, the lip gloss I just showed you, the eggplant, the avocado mask, and the shea butter mask, then the green clean on one side. It's all right here. And then we're looking at the Huda Beauty, the eyeliner, the primer. So we've got the cheek blush stuff here, and then we've got the serum here, the brushes. So I don't know. Do you think this was worth $50? I have no idea. It's showing 6 full-size products, I'm guessing. But you're supposed to get 8. You could definitely, this is a full-size product. This is probably a full-size product. And these are the 4, which looks like samples. Who knows how they did it. But compared to the Plus, I do like the skincare. I do like the brushes. The cheek palette's okay. I'm definitely a good one for serums, but this is not like anti-aging or anything. It is just hydration, so it's just a moisturizer. The Ipsy Plus, you know, I got my eyeshadow palette, and I got the bronzing palette. I got the microdermabrasion. I got a full-size lipstick, and this was $25. And then I got the liquid lip here, and you got your 5 full-size products here. It's questionable on which are full size and which aren't, and you definitely put out more. It looks like the lip gloss, the primer, you got the eyeliner, the shadow, the masks, the hand cream, the mascara, the moisturizer, the eyeshadow palette, the cheek palette, the pharmacy cream that takes the makeup off, and you got the brushes. Let me know what you guys think. I have to say, I don't understand why they did not have the prices in that one, and why we got the same bag when you should, I would think you would have gotten a bigger one, but then again, I don't know. I really do want to know what you guys think. I don't know if I will get another one of those or not, to be honest with you, because that's spent $75. And I have to tell you, I do have over $75 worth of products between both boxes, and I think I would be satisfied alone with the Ipsy Plus. I need to know what you guys think. Thank you so much for joining me where I did this battle here between these boxes, because I have to tell you, I need your help. Should I continue getting the Ultimate? Should we try it for one more month? Did you try it? Did you get it? Let me know. Put that stuff in the comments. I love you guys so much. Don't forget about my giveaway. It's in the Wowza Wednesday video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.